Yeah, baby. I love this stuff. On concrete, Willie, all the way down the street, cuz. All the way. Tire came off. All right, guys, welcome to True Boys RC. We got the cars out today, my boy. Y'all ready to go? We're gonna walk around. Here, baby. Yeah, sir. My dog Berto in the building. Yeah, sir. Boys RC, let's get it, baby. Uh-huh. Whoa.
Yours, you have it stuck?
I have a punch level 9 and an extra pinion.
What pinion?
That it came with in the box. The optional pinion it came with, I don't know. I don't remember what it came with.
Might have to try it. But I haven't done the punch. I haven't messed with the punch.
Yeah, we gotta mess with that then. But this be running. Flip like a bug. Got it? Come on. Go. Oh. Oh, my bad, son. I know, my bad. Oh, my bad, bro. I wasn't even paying attention. Yeah, baby. I thought it was gonna land. Hurry up.
That's the only part. I'm in love with this thing.
Man, bro, wait till you put that punch level up. You're gonna be like, heck yeah.
I put a 24 pinion and I couldn't drive it.
Yeah.
I was popping wheelies all the time.
For real, 24?
Yeah.
Alright.
Too much power.
That's good to know. That go around there.
The only thing that it was heating up the motor.
Oh, so you gotta put one of them Nick turbo fans on.
That's why I took it off and put the 20 on.
Right. Here, drive it this way, Tatum. Oh, up. Oh, your pen loose. That's all that is. Did that come from when you hit? Oh, let me grab mine. I ain't bringing no tools, bro. My back tire came off, bro. My back tire. Right here. Man, we hit the same thing. Ain't that bad, bro?
I don't know what the hell you hit, bro. I know I hit something that you will feel it.
I'm gonna.
I'm carrying my.
All right. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it is a lesson, bro. Definitely. Run that car. You get in it and then you full throttle. Get in and you full throttle. Yeah. Yeah, got some good brakes. Get in it and then you full throttle. Yeah. 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 Get right, car. Stacked up, baby. The Outcast one of the meanest one, man. Stunt truck. Yeah. They come up. Yes, sir. Yep. Yep. They do a back and flip on a dime.
I don't like the crate the way it is.
You don't? Did you have it?
I drove it.
It's too slow.
Yeah, but remember it's a huge vehicle.
Right.
So people are complaining also about it because it's breaking.
I think. Oh yeah, that too.
Remember, it's a vehicle that is like 15 pounds
Right.
heavier than the Kratos.
Right.
And you expecting that vehicle to do the same as a Kratos?
No.
You're gonna break.
Right. Yep. Oh, that hit. That's one, that's all. Like that. Come on, let's go. Come on, you got it. You got it. Is it driving or the battery dead? I need a 2S LiPo for his. It goes dead too fast. You can put a brushless small mode on there. What size car that motor that I had got from you a long time ago? What that's for? 2650.
Yeah, that's his. Yeah.
Oh, okay, A scale. Okay.
That's for this.
Okay. Oh, so I can put that in there.
Yeah.
That's a 2050 though.
Yeah.
That's a 2050.
Yeah.
Oh, the 2650 is more speed.
More speed.
Okay.
This is more torque.
Okay.
Remember, for this vehicle you need more torque because it's very.
Okay. Yeah. It catwalk all the way down. Tractor. On concrete, wheel it all the way down the street, cuz. All the way. That's why I like it. We RC car fun. Yeah, sir. This right here, hit the ramp, do like 2-3 backflips, land on his feet. Yeah, sir. Yeah, you get a high enough jump. You get a high enough jump, you can do 5 backflips. Yeah, sir. I'm coming. Yeah, sir. Let's go, Outcast. Yeah, sir. Hop. Hit a backflip all the way on the other side. There you go. Yes, sir. We gotta bring some tools next time, Berto. I'll probably charge it up and come back out here, man. Thank you, baby. Alright, guys, we up out of here. Tire came off. We got my brother Berto in the building. We coming back though.
Yeah.
Alright.